guys, let's test out some beauty products together that I got from Sephora for my birthday. So, I already did my foundation, concealer, and powder routine. Please excuse the big dot under my nose. That is a pimple that is taking forever to come through. Please ignore it. It's so frustrating that it's taking long to come through, but let's just pretend it's not there, okay? All right, so after I finish my basic foundation routine, I usually go straight for the brows, and I got this free sample as part of a birthday purchase on Sephора's website, and I chose the Benefit Gimme Brow, and it is the Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. So this is what the little sample looks like. So you just, oops, slides right out. That was easy, wasn't it? You peel this and you twist at this point. You're gonna twist and then pull. Oh, okay, here we go. So the product's in here, and this is the brush attachment. All right, cool. So these are my brows. They don't look too bad, but they could look better. All right, I don't know if this is too dark or not, but for the ends, no. For the ends of the brows where I'm starting, it's a good shade, but if I were to fill any sparse areas, I would definitely use a lighter shade like this NYX eyebrow pencil that I'm currently using. It's definitely a lighter taupier beige color, because if you're blonde like me, you're supposed to use a brow color that's actually lighter than your brow hairs, because if you use a color that's too dark and it matches the exact color of your brow hairs, it's gonna make your eyebrows look way too dark, way too fake, let's say. Okay, I'm gonna try a little bit on the front here. All right, that's not so bad, but I'm definitely not gonna overdo it. Okay, okay, nice. Okay, yeah, I like this. Okay, how pretty. All right. Okay, again, I'm gonna go a little bit on the inwards, but on the inner part of my brow, but I'm not gonna go too harsh. I don't want to put too much. Nice. Nice. This is very, very pretty. I would probably get it in a little bit of a lighter color, just to make sure that I don't overdo it by accident. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a spoolie and I'm going to blend a clean spoolie, and I'm going to blend the rest of it out. I've always been a fan of Benefit's mascara, but I never really got any of their brow products. Really happy that I chose this sample, and it's at my local Shoppers Drug Mart in town, so I definitely want to get my own regular sized version of the product.